Hello, welcome to JewelSteps. Are you still providing the raw material to the manufacturer or worker and entering it manually? Let me digitalize it with the JewelSteps. For that, first of all, we will have a look if we have the enough inventory to provide to the workers. Let's go to the inventory and gold, silver, platinum analysis. As you can see over here, the raw material 24 carat have the gross weight 1000. So yes, we have the stock. So now let's go to the transaction, then material issue. Now to issue the material to another person, if you are the in-house manufacturer, select the departments. And if you are the outsourced one, select the manufacturer name. After selecting that, click on the add item and enter all the details of the product. Now, if you want to add requested purity, you can enter that. As you can see, the alloy weight required for that particular impurity is being calculated. Now, let's add it. Let's save the material issue. Now, let's have a look whether the material issue has been created or not. For that, let's go to the report, then transaction report. As you can see over here, material issue in the name of manufacturer 1 is been created. Now let's check whether the inventory is reduced or not. For that, let's go to the inventory, gold, silver, platinum analysis. As you can see over here, the gross weight is reduced. Now let's receive some material after the completion of making of the product, if any left. So for that, let's go to the material issue. If you have selected the department prior, you can select the department over here. If you have just entered the name, just select on the name. Now click on the add item. Let's issue the same material, or here you can also enter the product which you have received. So now I am entering the raw gold. I am entering it as 50 and let's add this. Now let's save this. Let's check whether the material received is created or not. For that, report, again transaction report. Yes, material has been received. Now let's once again check in the inventory. Yes, successfully we have received the 50 grams from the manufacturer after completion of the product. So in this video, we had a look how to digitalize the material issue and receive in JewelSteps. So thank you so much for watching the video and stay tuned for the further ones.